Hey guys, this is Adam Munds with Losi Studio Productions, and we are back in the studio. Last month, well 2 months, I unboxed the deadbolt. You can see it back here. And well, I got a little bit of complaints because I kind of cheaped out on my review truck. And this time I did the complete opposite. Bought the most expensive electric truck out on the market at the time of this filming, and I'm stoked for it. So you guys better be happy. I spent a lot of money on this truck. Let's go ahead and get it here. There it is. The Desert Buggy XL-E 1/5 scale Losi. So let's go ahead and flip this thing around here. Super stoked to go ahead and get a 5th scale actually here in the studio. Never have actually owned a 5th scale, the biggest truck I've actually owned. Besides for my vintage Hummer is my LST 3, not 3XL-E, LST double XL2 something or another. Owner's manual, it looks pretty good, very high quality for ready to run manual. Shows what you need to do, some tuning adjustments, parts list. Really like this manual. From first look, does not show you instructions of how to actually put things together, which is fine considering the structure ready to run. I'm sure there's exploded views in there. You got yourself a binder plug, and okay, here it is out of the box. Here, some extra things included here before we actually get to the truck itself. You got yourself some parts here and some tools. From my past experience with Losi, they've always included top-notch stuff right out of the box. You get yourself this huge wheel wrench here, which is great because I don't have anything big enough to go ahead and get that accomplished, but very nice. Turnbuckle wrench on there, that's great. I'm going to definitely be taking that places. Your Allen hardware set here, which these will last you a little. Not ridiculously long, so eventually I'm going to invest in some good tools, which I'm going to be buying some Vanquish drivers for this. I really like my other Vanquish tools a lot. The radio, the Spectrum DX2E, feels very cheap, to be honest, on first impression. Yeah, this is going to be my girlfriend's new radio. Of course, after I'm done with the review of this truck, it will become her radio. And here's the behemoth itself. Massive truck. Just absolutely amazing in size. It's just phenomenal how huge everything on this thing is. I'm new to 5th scale, so I don't really know a whole lot about it. But I got a little bit of a funny story to tell you here. It's under the body. Well, back when the DBXL was released, I was saving up. I was gonna actually buy myself one of the original Desert buggies, and then I seen what Hemi Storm said about it. Chris, if you're watching this, he kind of steered me away from it. So that happened, and then well, this came out, and I got asked to go ahead and do a Mattox Designs. What was that series called? First Look or Mattox Designs New Vehicle Release, that's what it was. That short-lived series did that, and I'm happy to say I actually got this big bad boy in now. Huge shout out to Horzion Hobby, those guys are phenomenal. So, it's got this hinge here on the body. Body looks pretty good, pretty thick, that's saying. Got a pretty cool graphic system going on here. A lot of printing done inside here, very well thought out. You see Maxis, Losi, Spectrum, Dynamite, just kind of throughout the graphic work. After I'm done with the review on this truck though, I am going to be doing some carbon fiber orange vinyl wrap on her truck and make it its own truck for me. You got a light bar up here that is, well, 5th scale. So you got a driver interior set here, very scaled looking. I'll get some close-ups after I'm done just going over it real quick. These tires are huge, just phenomenal. Size of it, pretty grippy. they're kind of soft, which I'm surprised about, because the Losi 5 that I drove, those tires were extremely hard. So it's got a ring in the back here. Looks very, very good. Great job from those guys. Inside here on the chassis, your standard 5th scale stuff. You got yourself the motor right here, which is huge, beyond belief. You got your speed control, which is a Hobby Ring Max 6 rebadged. You got your servo here, that's a massive steering servo. The receivers in there, you got light harness running back. And let's go ahead and bring you guys in here. It is almost 35 millimeters for that shock cap. That is massive. This CVD here is pretty beefy as well. A lot of engineering went into this truck here. Honestly, the studio is a little small to go ahead and showcase off a truck of this size. Looks very good. You got a CNC diff case inside here. Just phenomenal. Here's one downside I've seen. I don't know if it's going to really affect a lot, but a plastic steering link here, which I don't really understand why they put it on such an expensive car. Coming at almost, I think, 1100 is what they all retail. I need to do some more research on it though. Max's creepy color tires. Yeah, I don't really know what else to do with it. I'm just stoked to have this thing in here. It is huge. I seen Gary with Kill Off with Hobbies, his review on it. It looked like he liked it a lot. And I got an offer for this thing and I could not pass it up. So here it is. My biggest OC I have ever owned. Here, the Losi Desert Buggy XL-E. And whew, damn, this thing is big. Yeah, huge ring back here, like just massive. It's 100% massive. That's the only way to really describe the sizing of this thing. Really like that feature though, but yeah, it is big, no doubt about it. Plastic shock tower, which is massive. Let's go ahead and get a measurement on that shock tower here, if I can. And what is it at? It's right around 16 millimeters of plastic. So I can't really see that breaking a whole lot. Turnbuckles here. 7 mil. Yeah, it is huge, no doubt about it. Just to give you guys a size reference here, let me go ahead and grab something that I think everyone knows what size it is. Here is a standard short course rim and tire here. These are the prime SCs on F11s, but short course tire for the most part on sizing. Yeah, the tire is still smaller than the rim. This thing is absolutely massive. I'm happy to have it here. And well, that's pretty exciting. So this is officially the biggest OC I've ever owned, and I think for a long time it's probably going to be the largest thing I have owned. I can't see me going out and buying anything big unless they come out with an DBXL-E. And I want that to be a laminator. So let's see if that comes out. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's been all over the place, but if you guys did, drop me a thumbs up, comment down below, tell me what you guys think about the Losi Desert Buggy XL-E. And yeah, let's get this thing out running, get this thing dirty, and beat the crap out of it for the review, and then clean it all up for Horzion or Seafest, which by the time you guys are viewing this, the event's already been over. But that's where I'm at, so yeah, until next time guys, this is Adam Munds with RCHub Studio Productions, signing out.